There it is. 2024 Titan walking floor. Look at that thing. Man, look at that reflection. Welcome back to Flint Creek Transport. My name is Justin. Today we're at Empire Farm Days. It's over in Pompey, New York. Kind of on a hillside. So we're just out checking it out today. I got Caden and Denzel and Xander. Brought the little guy with me today. He's working on getting potty trained, right? So we gotta stop every once in a while. Take care of business. But we're out here checking stuff out. Empire Farm Days is more like a farm show. Got a few trucks sometimes here. There's some customers sometimes that we haul for that I pop in, say hi. But yeah, spend some little time with the boys. It's a good time. What do you think, buddy? Should we get chickens? I think it just laid an egg. Isn't that what they usually do? Looks like Kenworth and Peterbilt are getting some competition here. So I don't even know what kind of truck this is. Dennis Eagle. I'll have to do some research. Designed for America, built in America. So, sitting beside the Isuzu. It's designed for America, built in America. So it must be it's overseas truck. You know what, guys? Here's something interesting for you. New York State DOT is here. This is what our snowplow trucks look like. So it gives you a little idea for you guys in the South, what we got to deal with in the winter here in upstate New York. That's the salt spreader. Comes out the chute right there. I don't know if I can open this or not. Yes, I can. Look at that. So see the augers? See that? Augers the salt right back, augers it out, and drops it right on that spinner. And then they can also, I don't know if there's a liquid spray bar on here, but there's also liquid that they can put in these tanks and then treat the salt. They'll spray that on the roads as well. They'll put a side wing plow right here, and then they got their front plow, right? So the side wing attaches, I think it's right here and back in there. Some of the trucks actually have two wings, so they'll put a wing on both sides. Gives you a little idea what a big snowplow truck looks like. And then if things get really bad, this is a snow blower. So that's when things get bad though. We don't see these around our place. Well, we're back. Just ready to leave. I tell you, this place has changed quite a bit. I was actually, I guess years ago, it was over here in Pompey, New York. This year, it's smaller. They said it's even smaller yet. It was very small. I mean, you could walk the show in maybe 15 minutes or half an hour. You could pretty much stand at one spot and see most of the stuff. So definitely not the show that it used to be over when it was in Seneca Falls. But anyway, the boys had fun, got some candy, and you know, it was all good. No, you know, sometimes they had some trailers here. They had some manure tankers here, but that was it. I want to say there's like an auction or something over here. I want to see if I can find that out, but yeah, there was not much truck related stuff here. Definitely not near the show it used to be. Alrighty guys, I'm back from farm days and I am out here in our yard and we are gonna be unloading a load of stone with a dump trailer. I just figured I'd show you guys real quick. Every once in a while, like, this stone is so goofy because all of a sudden we'll sell, like, we'll have like a load here, it'll be sitting here, and all of a sudden everyone, like, they call each other and say, hey, I need, you know, let's all buy white marble. And we get sold out of it like real fast. But kind of crazy with some of the decorative gravel, you know, nobody wants it and then all of a sudden everybody wants it. A couple different colors here that we have. He's getting ready to put his flaps up. Get that door open. So he's getting these open. Dump in the air. He's gonna get back in this bin and dump it off. You would think that we wouldn't make our bin so tight. Yeah, you would think a company this size would have nice, wide, big bins to back in. Oh, yeah. That's good. Gives you an idea how heavy stone is and, you know, how full they can make it. That black liner that we have inside there only comes up about maybe 12 inches, maybe 14, 16 inches. So this is a frameless. So what happens here is he locked his trailer brakes and the tractor brakes are released. So the tractor's gonna start coming back, and as the box goes up, the truck comes back. So anytime this gate here will open, I better get over here, otherwise I'm in for a dust storm. All right, here you can see it pushing the truck front. So as it comes down, this is truck 138. All right, so he's unloaded. He's just gonna go in there, clean that out. Got the door up front, so that makes it real handy for climbing in the trailers. But he's gonna sweep it out, get all cleaned up. There's the load. So it needs pushed up, and then we'll probably dump another one in here. Ah, looks like we got some trucks pulling in. It's truck 141. It's pulling a Western belt trailer. I got another rig pulling in off the road. This is truck 104. This guy runs a lot out of Rochester, so he runs up to a Rochester store every day with a load and then comes back. So they run transfers back and forth. This is truck 104. See if any more. I think that's it. There's truck 106. Got a load of stone on, heading east Monday morning. Just want to show you this rig getting ready to head out. So here it is, truck 154 and the new Titan trailer. Sorry for the wind. It's just getting a little breezy here this morning. They want some storms this afternoon, but this is the brand new Titan trailer. Haven't hauled a single load with it yet, so this is just heading out this morning. Going to put a load on it. So when we buy trailers from Titan, we have the option to get them polished and sealed. And the nice thing is we have to get them sealed anyway. So getting them polished and sealed in Canada is actually better for us. I like the seal coat much better. Definitely does a better job on the shine versus bringing them back and spraying them that way. So that's what we've been doing. So the polished, I never really got it itemized to know exactly what polish costs versus non-polished, but it's the seal part of it that is what I really like. So this trailer come out of Ken's Truck Repair, Vance, Illinois. Titan thin wall. This is pretty much how we spec our trailers. If I order one again for next year, it'll be just the exact same thing. I think I might have went over some of the changes that they have, but let me. I know the rounded panel was something fairly new. I'll just pop in here and show you this. Gives you a look on the inside. What we had to do, if you see that broom way in the back, we put the holders on. They put the straps in here to hold the tarp up. A couple things like that, just small things. Those clips to hold the sweep tarp up. Obviously, we put the tarp on. So this system is one of those tarp handles that locks in. So we have to pull. Let's see if I can just get up there and show you guys real quick. So this, just pop this pin out and this will turn. See that? That can turn. So that's what our system is, and that just rolls right across. We've looked at those automatic tarps. The problem is what you do to one truck, you pretty much got to do for all the others. We have to put power supplies in all the trucks because sometimes the guys do, swap trailers, things like that. I don't know, maybe at some point we will, but a lot of times the guys like to get up and put their straps to hold the tarps up anyway. So that's kind of why we do this handle in the front. And this system seems to be working pretty good. I know it's kind of a big bulky thing here hanging up in the front, but it seems to be working pretty good for us. We still have our second Titan, which is a 2012. So that's how long these trailers last. Some of it we've been growing, but I've been just hanging on to them. We've been utilizing these trailers, been using them. They're a solid trailer. Like this trailer will be around here for a long time. And the guys, we got a lot of good drivers. I know we do pay a little bit more for the polish, but they take good care of them. And you know what? I figured if they're going to take good care of it, if they're going to wash it, things like that, pay a little extra. But it does come with that seal coat, which I would have to pay for here anyway. So it's probably a wash. This is the last sleeper truck glider that we got in. This is truck 154. Truck 155 would be a day cab Peterbilt that I got in. Truck 156 is the day cab Kenworth. This one's got a Cummins 13-speed, 280-inch wheelbase. This is a glider, so it's an N14 red top Cummins. So far, it's been a good truck. A couple little things, but he's getting ready to head out. Looks pretty good. The other thing too is with this rig, this one's got all clear LEDs. So you can see on the truck he's clear. On the trailer, you don't even see the lights, but they're in there. There's 5 on the bottom and 5 on the top. Just a quick update on this truck. This one was out for a couple days, but had a couple little things go wrong. So like an ignition switch, a loose wire, a couple small things, wheel seal. So they got it fixed up, and I think that they're gonna go trucking tomorrow with it or the following day. So just minor stuff. You can see the rack they put on for the tools is pretty cool. They also got a locking fifth wheel, and that's what that's for. Yeah, so far good. We knew that there was going to be these little bugs that you got to work out, and that's what you get when you put a truck back on the road. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.